What up, y'all? Welcome back to the Torquecraft. Today we got trailer testing. We crippled this trailer a few months back, and now we're pulling it with the truck that crippled it. Irony.
Will it cripple again?
Will it cripple again? That is the question. We've plated it up, we've put some band-aids on it, and now we're gonna see if she's good to go or if she's gonna blow. Let's get it. All right, here we are on the job site. Time to test the trailer out. We're gonna put some material on it and get it where it goes. What do you guys say about it?
Same thing.
Yeah.
Come on, come on, come on. Keep it coming. Hey, come on, keep it coming. Come on. Whoa, 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 whoa. I drop. All right, come forward, come forward. All right. I don't know. Guess we'll find out. I got a lot of faith in you. I'm standing on it. I know.
All right, we gotta get this thing turned around. We can put more material on the other side. Take it easy, Junior. Nice and slow. Hey! Oh my gosh. All right, take it easy, Junior. Hey! Oh my gosh. Whew. All right, what are you doing? Dadgummit, man. Dadgum kids these days can't find no good help. Destroyed my good rattle can. Hey, Junior, what are you doing, man? Boss ain't gonna like it. We're fired. What are you doing? Drinking on the job? Get the frick out of here. You're fired. You're fired. Go home. Dadgummit, man. You throw them road beers at me, man. Tell you something. Kids these days can't find no daggum good help. All right, as you can see, our trailer's a one piece though. We might have got fired, but we daggum welded that trailer and it held it. So this sucker's certified, good to go. So that's how you weld a trailer and then be ridiculous. If you like this video, hit all them little buttons. It really helps us out. We appreciate you. We love you, and we'll freaking see you on the next one. Ah, just kidding. You thought that was the end? Psh, that was only like 1,000 pounds. Gotta up the ante. Let's go. We're gonna put a real piece of equipment on it now. It's a different day though, because for some reason, all of a sudden, our hitch receiver ball locky thingamabob, the hardware to lock it down was just missing. So I had to go to the Hobo Freight, get a new one, weld that bad boy on. So now it's all brand new. We are good to go. I don't know why these car haulers come with ramps, dude. They're so low to the daggum ground that on most angles, I ain't even gotta pull them out. It's touching the ground already. Don't need them. Here we freaking go. I'm scared. Did I do it? Yay! We gotta bounce it, make sure it's good. Oh yeah. Oh, we chilling, bro. Are we chilling or are we freaking chilling? What if I said that and then it just went, block her up? I was gonna say, how much are we touching on the ground in the back, but we were touching on the ground in the back before, so now we gotta do the professional eyeball test. Is it still straight? As straight as it was. It probably wasn't even as straight as a daggum arrow when I put it back together. It looks okay. Cool. Like, this is probably the most load bearing, like, it has the most consequences if it fails, 100%. Because this whole neck, like if these welds over here were to just fail, then skid steer's staying on the road. My truck's just gonna fly off with the neck here. I'm just gonna be hauling this neck down the road. Skiddy McStarrington's gonna be spending the night somewhere. Okay, so now you can't say that we didn't test it enough, cause we did. This weighs, I don't know, ask your mom. I have no idea how much this weighs, but it weighs.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It is 5 in the morning, and I'm about to make a 2-hour drive with a truck that has a knock and a trailer that was totaled, and it hasn't really had a test drive. And I'm about to drive 2 hours with those things. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a video. So that you have context if something happens, and it could be funny, and it hopefully won't be catastrophic. Let's go. Starts right up though. Hear that? But now it's gone. It It's an intermittent knock. It's not an always knock. It's a only sometimes knock, which is weird. But you know what? We're gonna be all right, hopefully. So I'm going on already. I'm shredding tires for some reason. Is that what this is? No, I'm shredding brakes. Ooh. I don't know, that's not as bad. What about this side? Yep, this side too. Dang! What the frick? Dude, I bet something's wrong with the electronics and it had the brakes just slammed on there. And I've been resisting the daggum brakes. I wonder if I can just shred the brakes off and keep going. Frig 'em. Must have some sticky brakes or something. I got it to quit. It ain't smoking no more. See, you'd be amazed what'll just buff out. You just gotta keep on keeping on. Come on. Bro, I am just waiting for something to happen, bro. I'm going up this ginormous hill. We got all the RPMs, all the boost, and we've been holding it like this for like 5 minutes, bro. This is by far the most pressure I've put this truck under since I've gotten it, by a long shot. And we're only like halfway there. Bro, I finally found the top, thank the Lord. I was just waiting for something to blow, dude. Dude, that was awful. This poor thing. It's doing so good though. Everything's doing great. So we're like halfway there, everything's going good. Man, what the frick is it doing raining? How am I supposed to work when it's raining? What the frick? That's a freaking 10. That's exactly what we don't need. Come on. Give me a break, pal. Bro, these uphills and downhills are crazy. Like, I gotta be braking or have the engine brake on or something, or else I'll be going 80 down this hole. Golly. Tennessee don't play. Told you. That's no foot on brake. All right, we freaking made it. I'm kind of surprised, but we made it. Yes, sir. My dadgum, my leg kept trying to come off of the skid steer, so I just put it in there. We can just sit there. Because it kept trying to slide off, and some people were honking at me, like, hey, your roof's about to come off. So, shoot. But we here to do some work. It's nice out here, it's pretty. All right. unless something happens crazy on the way home, that's gonna be it. Thanks so much for watching. Yeah, a bit of a crazy start. I didn't really think we were gonna make it. If you knew what this truck and trailer started out as, if you've been following along, and you know that it's like, I was clenching my butt cheeks. I'm like, I don't know if the truck's gonna make it, I don't know if the trailer's gonna make it, so, but we made it, so I guess I'm good for something. So we'll freaking see you guys later.